Hi, I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie. I'm a speech-language pathologist, and today I'm going to show you how to say the L sound. To make your L sound, you need to lift your tongue up, 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 right behind your front teeth, like this. And your voice is going to turn on to make a sound. So it's going to sound like, oh, oh, just like that. The place you're lifting your tongue to is called the alveolar ridge. The alveolar ridge is right behind your front teeth, right there. So your tongue's going to go up, 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 right there. Now I want you to practice. Put your tongue up, 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 and turn your voice on. Oh, you try. Oh, you try. Oh, you try. How did you do? Now you're going to practice 10 more times. You're going to see mouths pop on the screen that look like this. Every time you see one, lift up your tongue, up, 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 and practice. Oh, you can do it. Great job practicing. Here's something I say with my students sometimes. Tongue goes up, up, up for L. Oh. Tongue goes up, up, up for L. Oh. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you had a good time learning how to say the L sound. I'm Meredith from Peachie Speechie, and you can see more videos at peachiespeechie.com. To the parents and SLPs watching this video, I wrote a step-by-step workbook for saying the L sound. It goes through all the steps from elicitation all the way up to words, phrases, sentences, oral reading. It's called I Can Say the L Sound. It's pretty awesome. The link for it is in the description, so you can download a digital copy and use it today.